Hi, it's Aaron Nora. After watching this video, you are capable of making poly art just like this on your own. To get started, cut the desirable part of the image out using the Polygonal Lasso tool. All the shortcuts are written down in the description. Don't make the outline too smooth. You can make it even edgier than mine is. By the way, I'm doing only one half of her face and then copy it to the other side. Now you can invert the selection and delete the rest of the image. The other way to do it is not to invert the selection and add vector mask to the selected area. I chose the second option because it allows me to edit the mask later if needed. Now I crop the artboard to size to make it easier to navigate. I always start with the eye because it's the most time-consuming part. I like to make it really detailed to make it look realistic. You can make it way less detailed if you like the robustic look. Go to Filter, Blur, Average and let Photoshop do its magic. Next time you can just press the shortcut to copy the last filter. Now can the fun begin? Try to be random with the shapes, then it will look better. You will see me open this tab with a lady on it many times in this video. If you don't have fat uncontrollable fingers and you won't press the wrong key all the time, then it won't happen to you. The secret, to make your art look good, is to follow the body and color lines. When you start working on the middle part, then start with smaller shapes because in the end you will mirror the image and they will get twice as big. Buy a new MacBook, they said. It will be fun, they said. But comes out that this new shiny piece of aluminum can't even record the screen without distortions. Hope you still enjoyed the video and will join me when the next one comes out.